In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Microsoft Visual C++ runtime issue on both Windows 10 and 11. Let's get started. First, let's perform a clean boot. Press the Windows button, type in msconfig, and select System Configuration as an administrator. Go to the Services tab, check the box next to Hide All Microsoft Services. Then click Disable All. Click Apply and OK. Next, head to the Startup tab and click on Open Task Manager. Here, disable all unnecessary programs. Once done, close the Task Manager, click Apply, then OK. Now restart your computer. Another useful solution is to update or reinstall your graphics driver. Right-click the Windows button and select Device Manager. Expand the display drivers, right-click the problematic device and select Properties. Go to the Drivers tab, click Update Driver and choose Search automatically for drivers. If that doesn't work, you can uninstall the device by clicking Uninstall Device, checking the box to remove the driver, then clicking Uninstall. Now restart your computer and Windows will attempt to reinstall the driver automatically. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.